Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dua at the time of rainfall. Allahumma sayyiban nafiya. Allah, make it plentiful and beneficial. Allah, इस बारिश को हमारे लिए मुफीद बना. Allahumma sayyiban nafiya. Allah, make it plentiful and beneficial. Allah, इस बारिश को हमारे लिए मुफीद बना. We know rain is beneficial for all living things, and without it, life is almost impossible in earth. Almighty Allah, the Most High says, it is He who sent down rain from the sky, from His drink, and from it grows vegetation on which you send your cattle to pasture, because to grow for you, thereby the crops, palm trees, and from all the fruits. Indeed, that is a sign for a people who think rain is blessing and sign of Allah. The Almighty puts angels in charge of rain, wind, and thunder, and for the protection of humans. It is blessing as well as a way of punishment. Allah can bring rain, soft and gentle for the benefit of human beings. When Almighty stops sending rain, it is considered to be a way of punishment. We can say that rain carries great benefits for all living creatures, including human beings. It is important for all societies on this planet.